OnePlus Watch, OnePlus Watch RX, OnePlus Band details leaked through OnePlus Health app. OnePlus Watch, OnePlus Watch RX, and OnePlus Band details have surfaced thanks to the newly emerged OnePlus Health app, according to a tipster. The OnePlus Watch and OnePlus Band were already a part of the rumor mill, though the latest development suggests the existence of the OnePlus Watch RX alongside the two new wearables by the Chinese company. The OnePlus Watch and OnePlus Watch RX are speculated to be the rebranded versions of the Oppo Watch and Oppo Watch RX, respectively. Tipster Nils Ehrensmeer has claimed on Twitter that he managed to obtain the details about the OnePlus Watch, OnePlus Watch RX, and the OnePlus Band after looking into the APK file of the OnePlus Health app that silently debuted on Google Play. He shared a screenshot apparently showing the code of the new app that suggests a linkage between the OnePlus Watch and Oppo Watch. Similar appears to be the case with the OnePlus Watch RX that could be a rebadged Oppo Watch RX that was teased in October but has not yet been launched. The OnePlus Watch is found to carry model number W301GB for the global version and W301CN for its Chinese option. Both are likely to come in a color that is named Obsidian Black. OnePlus Watch with Wear OS may just be in the works, suggests P. Lau. Early rumors suggested a round dial on the OnePlus Watch. However, it may have a rectangular dial instead, as the tipster found it as the rebranding of the Oppo Watch, which debuted in March with 41mm and 46mm rectangular display options. The code providing the reference about the OnePlus Watch also included the OnePlus Watch RX title. This could be a hint at the model with a round dial, just like the Oppo Watch RX. Some watch faces coming for the OnePlus Watch models have also surfaced through the APK file. The watch faces suggest a dedicated dark theme, which could be in place to offer power efficiency and hint at an AMOLED display on the smartwatches. Thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe.